Wonderful move in crude oil continue to stay bullish. It has moved towards 72.7 levels. We have mentioned yesterday that oil prices are reversing and beyond 70.4 levels, 70.6 levels, we can see it scaling to the highs here. What a beautiful rise we have seen. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect from crude oil today, which position you should take, and how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. And thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly. And towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till now. Look at hourly charts. See, it has formed a peak here. After that, a sharp drop. It is just after the drop, it is retracing here in this zone. So it is not to be bought unless and until you see it is staying above 72.4, 72.6 rather. So 72.6 is the level beyond which, if you see the oil price is staying, you can stay bullish. We can look forward to 73.2 and plus levels. Right now, you can also note that 71.8, 71.6 is a greater support zone. It is come towards the 20 period moving average and trying to stay bullish. Stochastic has been rising here. It has come to overbought zone, while MACD has just crossed over, trading with very minimal divergence. And if you notice the MACD movement here, rise, retracement, rise, higher highs, and it can retrace a little on the downside, which means prices might try to either trade sideways or can trade with slight bearish bias. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. And yes, if we have also launched our channel memberships here on YouTube, there is a join button on my channel page. Do join, do become a member. There is a great support from you all for doing this effort twice a day. And yes, by being a priority support, you can get queries on priority. You can get the answers to your queries on priority on comments here on YouTube. Thus, become a member and support the effort. Now look at the 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, consistently higher highs are observed, higher lows are observed. It is trading in this channel here. The support levels, as we saw, 71.8. Thus, only selling entry is below 71.8. And once you see the prices above 72.7, certainly more bullishness may prevail. And how far it can take? See, I will look forward to, I have mentioned yesterday also, 73, 74 zone is going to be the target, and it is going to be a greater resistance zone as well. Moving averages crossing over here, divergent, bullish, looking upwards, suggestive of bullishness here. Stochastic is rising. MACD, see the MACD here, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. It can potentially converge, crossover for the buying entries. RSI coming to overbought levels. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour charts here. Consistently staying bullish, consistently looking upwards, retracement, and again looking upwards. Thus, more bullishness may prevail. We have to watch out more closely at around 72.6, 72.8 levels here. Beyond that, certainly 73.2, 73.6, and in fact 74 can get achieved. Remember, it has breached past this resistance and it is staying above this resistance zone at 72 levels here, which means that prices are trying to scale further on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. The MACD is trying to trade with divergence. First wave, second wave has initiated. We have to wait for a crossover in order to confirm a selling entry where the prices can hit the lows again. RSI near to overbought zone, coming to the 4-hour. And yes, you can also acquire these skills in a way where you can learn and you can earn as well. Thus, join my 28th mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com for more details on sales. Yes, we also have a signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Now look at the 4-hour charts, higher lows here, higher highs here, trying to trade in this bullish channel. And that is why I say, in fact, even if you see it is staying above 72.4, you can buy and expect it to hit 73 levels. 73, 73.2 certainly is a greater resistance. Thus, we have to watch out here. 72.4, 72.6, 73, 73.2 are greater resistance because beyond this. Now see this. Uh, First of all, this zone here has found out its greater resistance. You can see multiple candles earlier got it the same, and this time again the oil can come to this zone, but this is certainly going to remain a great resistance. Also, if you notice this, see it has scaled to the highs of this. Thus today again you have to watch out for this zone. Definitely it will find its greater resistance as we discussed. 72.4 you can buy, but then 72.6, 72.8, 73. So as long as 73.2 is there, you have to put just a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Also notice a V-shaped recovery here, and a V-shaped recovery means continuing in this path, which means it can continue to stay bullish from the current levels. Stochastic overbought MACD, first wave, second wave, trying to converge here, and if it shows a crossover, that will bring the bearishness here. RSI looking upwards. Coming to the daily chart. Now, looking at the daily charts, higher highs, lower lows. Swing zone here. The pivot, if you notice, right now is available at around 70.5, 70.4 zone, which has become a greater support zone for now. Also, yes, see, we have announced our webinar package here on my platform www.forexfunda.com, where every Sunday we discuss more into detail. We take the nitty-gritties of the charts for commodities, indices, and currencies together, and I give you a holistic view of the markets update for the coming week. Also, I take up your live questions, and yes, it comes with an opportunity for you to interact with me twice in a month, where we take a face-to-face session and I address all your queries. Yes, be it your stressed account, be it a trade, be it you want me to analyze something, or you want any personal guidance, everything is included in this face to face, one to one consultation. Do not miss this opportunity. Do get a recommendation from those who have already registered and those who have already seen these consultations. They are coming again and again to get more profits, because one tip can change the life. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, the prices are coming here towards 20 period moving average. I have mentioned here earlier that the lows are done, and it can see divergence from the price from the moving average is too much. It can try to converge. It has come closer to it. I will wait for the next candle to start and wait for the price moving average to come down. Then it can try to trade with a slight bullishness, where it can try to move towards 73, 73.2 zone, greater resistance zone. Now, see, the stochastic is comfortable here. The MACD is also at bottom, and see double bottom. It is trying to converge crossover. We can see probable bullishness from the current levels. Historically, oil from the current levels have always seen a good rise, and you can see it is just staying between plus 200 and minus 200, and RSI is rising as well. So considering this, if you want to buy today, I will recommend you to buy at 72.6, or rather you can buy at 72.4. When you see the lower prices above 72.4, you can initiate, but you have to be extra alert. You have to put your stop loss, your entry price. As long as 73, 73.2 zone is not taken, you have to put a 20 points, 20 cents trailing stop loss. Beyond 73.2, I will look forward to again 73.5 and 74 as the next targets. For at some point of time today, we can see it hitting this zone once. On the sell side, where you should take a sell, only sell entry today is below 71.6 levels, because 71.6, 71.4, we know that it is a great support, and if it breaks below this zone, you can look forward to 70.8 and 70.4 levels, the next support levels. This zone between 70.4 and 70.8 will be the pivot. If it stays below 70.4, you can treat oil as bearish, and it can continue to trade bearish from the current levels. Thus take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. The next video will be uploaded before the US session. Do not miss that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.